Hello everyone, my name is Shreya Selkar and I am from Standard 8 from OSS English School, Parbhani, Taluka Parbhani, District Parbhani. Here I have prepared a video for Easy English channel and Poddar Jumbo Kids organized Super Speaker 2020 online competition. Here is my topic is Jyotirao Phule and the Savitribai Phule. Jyotirao Phule and Savitribai Phule were the pioneers of women's education in India. Jyotirao Phule was born on 11th April 1827. From his childhood, he was very intelligent and sharp. He belonged to the very lower Mali caste. When he was 13, he was married with the Savitribai Phule. Savitribai Phule was very sharp and intelligent. She was very curious about knowing new things and questionable. She was born on 3rd January 1831 at Naigaon. During the 1848, Jyotirao Phule read the book Thomas written by the Thomas Paine on social justice. By reading that book, he realized that there was very disadvantage for women and lower caste peoples in the Indian society. So he realized that the importance of the education, and he started giving education. He started giving education for women. First of all to the Savitribai and then after to the others. In early days, they faced many challenges and they suffered from many challenges. They were accepting challenges. This was the beginning of the new era. They were accepting challenges, and by accepting these challenges, they got in the mission of the education became the mission of this couple. So they accepted these challenges and started a school for the girls. In 1848, a gentleman gave them a place known as the Bhidewada in Pune for first school for girls. The first lady teacher was the Savitribai Phule, who taught the girls and gave the education. This was not an easy task for them. So many contemporary religious leaders were opposed this, splitted stones and threw cow dungs and mud on them. Jyotirao Phule was a great thinker and writer. Their main work was related to the eradication of lower caste people and caste system. They were against the customs like child marriage and sati pratha. This was against the humanity, so they were in the opposed of this. So they established a new Satya Shodhak Samaj in 1873, 24 September. This was for the focus on the Shudras and the rights of women. One day, Jyotirao Phule and Savitribai Phule was not having their own child. One day, one widow who was committing suicide, that was seen by the Savitribai Phule. So she convinced her and brought her at home. When she realized that widow was pregnant, and due to the fear of the society, she was committing the suicide. And when she gave the birth to the child, they adopted that child and named him as a Yashwantrao. Jyotirao Phule took very hard to educate the Yashwantrao, and in future he became the doctor. In his lifetime, he wrote many books and articles like Shetkaryanचा Asud is the one of the most famous book of him. He was suffered from the paralyzed, and so he passed away on the 28th November 1890 due to the infectious disease of plague. Savitribai also passed away 10th March 1827. Thank you.